Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix not receiving MMS messages in Moto G77. First of all, clear app cache and data. Open setting. Now in settings scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search, messages app. Now click on messages. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache, clear storage, and if you want to clear cache then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages will be clear cache from your phone, and if you want to clear data then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix not receiving MMS messages in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.